This video clip is going to explain the preparation of the seed, which is one of the samples that we use in our BOD testing. And so to begin, we have this 1,000 ml volumetric flask, which is partially filled with RO water already. And first I'm going to take off the cap and add 1 ml of these 4 different nutrients into it. If you need to change the amount of milliliters in it, if it's not already set at 1, you can twist the top to the right to increase it or to the left to decrease it. Next, you're going to fill the rest of the volume with the RO water, which is inside of this jug here, up until the line. Also use this squirt bottle if you need to get a more precise amount of water. Then you're going to put the cap back on and flip it upside down a few times in order to mix the sample. And then pour out 500 milliliters of the solution in the graduated cylinder that's kept in the area. Next, you pour this into the flask. And then you take this container, it's stored inside the middle incubator on the top shelf on the right hand side. And inside this little container is a bottle. When you unscrew it, you should be able to grab one of these little kind of pill-shaped seed capsules. So to open it, you want to open it right over the top of the container because there's a lot of small particles that can kind of go everywhere. So you can just kind of pull the 2 parts of the capsules apart and it should open pretty easily. Then you can turn on the stir and attach this kind of air line to it. You want to turn on the air line very slow, or it's a vacuum line actually, very slowly to get the air to come through, and you'll start to see bubbles coming out of this line. You want to be bubbling pretty vigorously, so I'm not sure if you can tell from here, but there's quite a few bubbles coming through. Then you're going to set this clock right here to 1 hour, and then after that is done, you're going to take the pH and the DO of the sample, and that is how you prepare the seed for BOD testing.